Nissan collaborates with Roush Performance to introduce the 2026 Frontier PRO-4X, a special edition midsize pickup aimed at drivers seeking factory-backed off-road capability and rugged performance. While Roush is widely known in the United States for its high-performance Ford products, the company has long supported multiple global industries, making this partnership a natural extension of its engineering expertise. The Frontier PRO-4X builds on the standard PRO-4X platform with a comprehensive suspension package developed in partnership with Swedish specialist Öhlins. The truck is equipped with remote reservoir dampers, premium aluminum bodies, and 18mm piston rods tuned specifically for the Frontier and paired with a 2-inch suspension lift. Roush-designed red upper control arms complete the setup, boosting stability during off-road articulation. To further enhance durability, Roush installs a dedicated front skid plate, while 17-inch Roush alloy wheels are fitted with Hankook Dynapro AT2 Extreme all-terrain tires, size 265/70R17, offering improved grip on loose and uneven surfaces. Under the hood, the model retains Nissan's 3.8-liter V6 engine, producing 310 horsepower, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and part-time 4-wheel drive. While full performance assessments will require highway and mixed terrain testing, initial demonstrations showed a firmer suspension feel and improved ground clearance, while still maintaining composed ride comfort. Styling enhancements include titanium-colored grille accents, trim pieces matching the new skid plate and wheel detailing, and exclusive PRO-4X badging. Inside, upgrades remain subtle but premium, including Roush embroidered headrests and identifying graphics throughout the cabin and exterior.